We are now going live. I'm going to be trading binary option in this session also. As always, I will give signals through it. Basically, you can easily follow every single trade I'm doing. So, if you see this as a recording and you want to copy what I'm doing, just tune in every single day between 7:30 and 8:30 GMT -3. You find the link below the video for this broker I'm using here. So I will now just tell everybody that we are live, and so we get as many people as possible into this session. Okay. So just bear with me while I do so. Let me see. And there. Okay. Well, we will very soon start. Just bear with me. Do you all hear me well? Also make sure you like this live stream so we get more people in. Because like I said before, more people get in, more fun it is for me to do these type of things. And there. Okay. Then we will start. Actually, we have our trade right out of the bat here now. Let's make a horizontal line here in the top. This is for euro against dollar. Let's make it red, the tickets line. So let's zoom in to see if we have it in the perfect position there. So this one we take at 0, 8, 8, 8, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So I will take $100 trades as always. 30 seconds. So our target is basically just to come up. So the bar come into this red line and we'll just push down. So once again, this is for euro against dollar. We are just pure luck that we open the one we ended our session with last time in a good trade. So I see now we have a little time, so I can give this signal. Binary options sell line for EUR USD at, and it's at 0, 8, 8, 8, 2, 2, 1. There, and let me take a screenshot of this. There. We are ready to push the down button if we come up to this red line. Let's hope we can get a good start to this session today. Last week, as you all know, we were struggling a little. Yes, we made a good profit, but we needed to work for our profit last week. Last week was a crazy week, so it would be nice to get a good start of this week. see. Trying to be efficient here now. I'm also giving out the signal for I understand there are a few people that can't be sitting looking the screen and see my live trading. So they need to be able to follow the signals also for this broker. So, like I said, if you come up to this red line, we will do a sell trade. If we start to break below, let's say this region here, below this green bar here, if you start to close below there, we will start to look for a new one. We are getting very close to that now, so because then we start to be too far away and we don't want to be sitting looking something that maybe never happened. We were just a little close here, but there have not been any trade, as you can see, since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minutes. And for all I know, can be more 11 minutes before we come up here, so we can't be sitting waiting. So if nothing happens very soon, I will start to look for some more trades. Now let's see. And good morning for you, Geelong, and good morning, Kyle. Good morning, Fred. Fred, we will be trading on Pocket Option live from tomorrow. That will be the first day we'll be trading live for. So basically I will trade live on both brokers, this broker, and from tomorrow I will also trade live on Pocket Option. So that will be tomorrow. I will not even try to say your name, Ulani. Sorry, I'm not able to promote your name there, but good morning for you also. Okay. So yes, from tomorrow we will do live session for this broker and Pocket Option. So that start tomorrow. Okay. So there will be 2 live sessions a day. Now let's see. I think now we can start to look for something else. And I'm even thinking about doing some live session for Forex. So probably I will be sitting live for 3 hours. There will be 3 separate live sessions, of course, but I'm also thinking about doing a live for Forex also. I try to be this one that have only live sessions, because you can easily make a video and edit the video. It looks like you are a professional trader that win every single trade. But I feel live it's the way to go, because then you really need to show people that you have some knowledge about what you're doing. So I like to do things live. I think that's show more fair, and it's something that is easy to follow. And I can't manipulate, I can't edit a video when it's live. It's live, right? So I think it's a more fair way to do things. Now, do we see something here? I will say no. So yes, tomorrow we start with Pocket Option. That's the last time I'll say it. It's not in this video. Now let's see. I would say here we had something. If we can break above here again, we probably will trade it. I think I will mark it because this is a good one. So as we are early in the session, this might be something. Just to know, this is only if you can break above this line. We will start to do buy trades on this green line. There's also a possibility he will start to reject on this resistance, and if we see a rejecting line, we will change the color for this one to red. But for now, this is a future trade. Let's go back to euro, US dollar to see. Still far away, then we can continue. And by the way, as now, like last time, I have another computer up here now in the side of my side view. So anytime there are a question, I am able to reply to the question right away. So just post your question here and I will be able to reply right away. I will not be reply by typing, but I will be talking. I think that works perfectly well as also. Also, another thing that I always have been curious about, no one have replied for me yet. Are there any other YouTubers that are trading live on binary option every single day? If so, you're allowed to give me a link. I'm very curious to see, or just give the name. Maybe automatically YouTube will block if you put a link, but give the name of that YouTuber, because I'm curious to see which type of strategy, because trust me, it's not easy to trade live. So that's why I don't think anyone else do it, because it's easy to make a video where you are showing your crazy win rate and things, but it's not easy when you're trading live, because then you really need to show that what you're doing is working. So that's why I don't think anyone is doing it. But if there are, I'm very curious to see what type of trading style they have, if they're using indicators things. Now let's see. I think we will move it a little there. We have one that is a little below here, but as he closes above it and we are above it right now, I'm willing to follow this one to see if we can get something. Now let's see. So we keep this one open. Let's go back to euro against dollar again to see. Okay, we're getting closer, so we really need to follow that one. But currently we are far enough away so we can continue looking. This is all live also. Cool. Now let's see. I don't consider this one. You have too many spikes below it. So I think we continue from this one. We have one up there, but a little far away, I think. But we can mark it. We never know. As we're early in our session, we never know if we can get up here again. So let's make a line there also. Oh, I like it there. Then let's check euro against dollar again. No, oh, we are in it. Let me see. Okay, that's it. I push. I'm ready to go in. Oh, come on. Come up again. Oh, terrible, terrible, terrible entry. If we're lucky, we win it, but we never know. That was not good. Take one more there. And one more. We lost the first, obviously. Oh, terrible entry. Now let's see, we have two more trades now. Let's see how that turns out. I will continue trading on the line. But now I want to see how these two turns out first. We won. Did we lose them both? What the? No, we won one. Oof. Got scared for a little while there. So that means we are, let me see here now, minus 100 minus 100 plus 95, so we are down $105. Okay. One was bad entry, and he did shoot up a little about one of them, so we are down for the day then. Actually, it's completely okay as long as we don't break the line. I don't. I'm not sad when I lose a trade like that. That will easily turn around. But yes, we are down $105 for now. Completely okay. At least the line keep holding, then I'm happy. Because the problem we have is that when you push a button here, it's a small delay. Now, see here now, we are above this line. And we see that we got a retest there, beautiful. So now we're going to trade Australian dollar against the Swiss francs also. I will push up if you come down to this line. We prepared it for that purpose. Now let's see. This line is at 0.598337. You can always see the line, the one that is marked with green here. Okay. So now let's see. If you can just come down again, we will now follow these two here. Euro against dollar also. We see that was a beautiful one. For some reason it's loading a little now to open in between. Don't know why it's slow. Let me see if I close this go faster. Okay, we are up here again. Now it's difficult. I need to choose which one to use to trade on here, but this is the stronger one. We lost one that could, no, that's what that was the one we traded actually. Okay, now let's see if you come up again, we will take a trade. I'm ready to go in. Let's hope we can get some good entries here now. Was almost, but almost is good, not good enough. Let's zoom in some more. So we need 2 more wins to turn profit for today. But if this line can just hold and we get some trades, we will turn it fast around. And let's see. We are getting close. That was terrible entry, but let's hope it turns good. I will take more trades if you come up. That was a better entry. If you can win both, that would be nice. Now we need to wait 10 seconds to see. If you just can win the first, I'll be happy. Yes, cool. Now let's see the next one. We got another bad entry and a good one. Let's see. And we won. Perfect. Now we're turning profit here. We are now $85 profit. And looks like we're going to win this too also. Then, perfect. Now we have done good. Now we have turned a $275 profit. I am super stoked about that. $275 profit till now. And I told yesterday, Saturday, that we are very unlucky on euro against dollar, but now we start to turn things around. I'm super happy with that. Super cool to see. So let me just promote this, so we probably get in some more people. But yes, we have a good start of this Monday morning. That is amazing. So also, if you want to copy what I'm doing, you find a link in the chat. And if you see a recording, link below the video for this broker. And there are a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. Now let's see. And yes, I will say it again. We will also tomorrow trade at Pocket Option. And that will be another live stream. I will figure out which time I do it, but I will try to do it within a time most people are live also. And I'm also thinking about doing live streams for Forex. I'm still working on finding a broker that works worldwide. I am testing a couple, but I need to see if they're good, because it does not help that worldwide if they're not good. So I need to see the spreads and all these type of things, because if it's bad spreads, we can't trade on them. I will continue trading on this broker where you can copy my trades automatically. And that one, sadly, I know do not work in United States and do not work in UK. Other countries, I think, is working quite good. So, but these two countries are not able to automatically copy my Forex trades. I did had a little bad week last week, but now I have turned that account also into profit. So for the ones that copy me there, at least we are in profit now for Forex, even though we had a bad week last week, because last week was very difficult to be trading, both binary option and Forex. So I will be continue trading on that broker, but for the people that are outside of UK and the United States. Otherwise, yes, I will trade live, but I'm still, like I said, looking for a good broker that works worldwide, because we need to have a worldwide broker. Otherwise, I will not do live sessions for Forex, because I want everyone to be able to follow me there, like I do with binary option. Like this one is worldwide and Pocket Option is worldwide. So that's why I will do live sessions for both of these two. Now let's see. But what I like with this broker is that it's very easily to find support resistance, and what I like the most is that we can zoom out super much, because then we are able to see a little better what we can expect. Like you can see, this area down here is a good one also, because you see here it was resistance, and here it works like support. So we are able to find areas. So even before we start to build a new line, we can start to see that here we actually have something. So now I know I can be trading down here also. So let's turn this one into a blue line, just because I can zoom much out and see this. So now I know I will trade down here also. So let's wait. Let's see if you come down to this green line. I will push up. Thanks to that, I can zoom much out. So every broker have their plus and minuses. You never will find one broker that is perfect. Like for example, I can tell you one broker that is pretty close to perfect, but they have a big flaw, and that make the broker terrible. That is Pocket Option. Pocket Option is perfect every way they are the most advanced broker, but they have a big flaw. If you start winning on pocket option, suddenly they make so you can't trade. They block you. They block you from trading if you are successful. So if you have a certain pairs you're trading and you try to trade, they block you. You can't trade more. And that make me annoyed. That's why I never use that broker. And they are very regulated. It is very few countries that actually can trade binary option on them also. So there are flaws with every broker. That's why I have chosen this one. This is one of the brokers I like. The biggest flaw here is that when you push, it's a little delay when you trade. Then you have other brokers that you can't zoom in out like this. So to find 100% perfect, that is difficult to find. I have not found one yet. But like that, the two I'm using, that's the two I like to be trading on at least. And anyone can go to the chat and write there. I will reply and everyone in this session. So just write to me there if there are anything. I have an extra screen where I can see the chat today. So I'm trying to upgrade myself a little here now so we get a little more activity. So now if you come down to this green line, we will take a trade. Oh, I should not have done that. Now he did break down. Let's hope he holds. I will not trade more on this line. I will just remove it. I will not trade more on it, but it looks like we still win it, so that's cool. Yeah, so anyone did take this trade, they won, but as he did break below it, we are not going to take more trades on it. But still, we are now up in $370 profit, so that's sweet. I think now we will move away a little from euro because we're very far from our top line here, and as he broke below these ones here, I don't find it interesting because that showed me that he might want to go more down. So that's why we're not going to trade more here, but thankfully everyone that did take the trade here, they won it. We will now move on to see. I'll just take a fast look on this. Okay, this line also have been holding quite nice. Now even looks like we maybe have something up here. Let's take a look. Coming up new and new opportunities here now. I will mark it and then I will take a look how it looks like. For me it looks like we have something here, and yes, we will trade this easily. And remember, every time when you change in between the pairs, make sure you change this to 30 seconds. So then if you come down up to here now, we will push down, and if you go down to this green line here, we will push up. So we currently have 2 opportunities for trade. I see I want to move this one just a little bit down. So I move it now, this green line to 0, 59, 83, 35. GBP against Switzerland, let me take a look at that one. Thank you, Geelong. We are getting close. We might stop here. I will take a look. You said GBP. COF. Let me take a look at that one. Let me see. Yeah, I agree. We can trade there also. Let me mark it up and take a look. Let's make it to a red line, and there. It's not many tests, but it's enough for us to be trading it. So let me take 30 minutes. I'll push down if you come up to that line also. Thank you for that one. I like when bigger community we get, we can start to give signals to each other. That is the way to go. Now I will follow was this one also. You're getting close. Now we need to jump a little back forward in between. That is completely fine. Because here we have 2 lines to be trading. I will change now for 30 here if you come down to this green line. Let me see. I love when I have 2 lines like this, because then obviously we are going to get a trade either way. He will not just be playing in between here. So this is for Australian dollar against the Swiss francs, and our good friend Geelong, he gave a signal for GBP against the Swiss francs. Now let's see. I think, let me see now. By the way, we are going to stay online for more 30 minutes, so we have good time to trade yet. Okay, we're getting close. I like to keep my live sessions 1 hour. So that means if everything go well, we will very soon do 3 live sessions of 1 hour each. I guess I will need a lot of coffee, because it's you get a little tired when you're looking at the screen like this, following your trades, and at the same time I need to be talking a little all the time, and you get super tired from it. But I love doing this, and that's why I'm thinking about doing 3 live sessions like this. So we'll be on 2 different brokers for binary option, and I'm still looking for this one broker for that Forex that works worldwide. I'm going to test one a little today. If everything go well and I see the spreads are good and all this good stuff, we might be using that one, but I will reveal that a little later. Also, I need to see how it is to do 2 live sessions that I'm going to start from tomorrow, because yes, it is tiring to do too many live sessions in a day. So I need to see if I'm even able, first of all, to find time for it, and second of all, if I'm able to do that much work. Let's see. And also I need to find a time that fits for everyone. I think we can do this, now my time is 8, and I think I can go on all the way till 12 at least, and still get most of the people, because it's to fit perfect in between all the time zones. Like I said before, 8 in morning for me. I think it's morning for most people in the United States. Then in Europa, they are probably 5 hours in front of me, because I'm from Norway myself, so I know that. I live in Brazil now, but in Norway I know they are 5 hours in front, so that means most Europa is around there. Like France is the same time zone like Norway. UK, I think it's 1 hour less or 1 hour more, I'm not 100% sure. So I think UK is like 4 hours in front of me, or 6. And I know South Korea, they are 12 hours in front of me. So it's to find this sweet spot, so we get within the day of all countries. At least the countries that I know is following me. It's difficult to be pleasing everyone, but I try to find at least times that works for everyone, of my loyal followers at least. So now let's see. If we do get down to this green line, I hope it's still a thing, but you see from the past this line was good, and looks like now it's starting to be good again, so we will be trading here. And we have the beautiful red line also up here that's formed now. So let's see. And I'm in. Decent entry, not the best, but it's decent. Let's see if we can win one more trade. If we win this one, we will be getting close to our $500 profit. That would be nice to start this week with good profit. Now looks like he's breaking the line actually. Not sure. We have 4 seconds left. We lost that trade. I do not think I will trade more on this green line then, because this one did break a little too far down. So then we are down to $270. I will remove this green line now. I hope some of you other ones, if you did take this trade, you won, because right after mine did go out, he did break above it. So but for me at least, this was a losing trade, and as you see, it's a little below this one here. That's why I'm not going to trade more on this one. Let's see how the line did go for our friend. Oh, I should have been trading on your line. You're done good. You have been printing money. I'm happy for you. You have done good. That means I will take a trade up here now. Why I did not trade your line? Your line was much better than mine. You have done amazing. Congratulations for you. My God. Why I did not trade your line? Look this. I would have been maybe $800 now profit. I was too stubborn on my own line. See, that's what I like when we have a community that can give signals. And you see, if I just had followed Geelong's signal, I would have made a lot of profit today. So, but I love to see this, and this is something I've talked about before. Bigger our community get, my hope is that in the end of the year I start to have 100 people live, because then we have a more discussion, we can share trades, because one of the things I do the most in my sessions is to be looking for trades. But if I have a big community that always also are looking for trades and we can work together, then I will not spend time looking trades myself. I will just see, like here, I will just follow what people tell me, and I'll say, yes, I agree, we take trades here. That's what I want, and make it so much more cool to have this type of sessions. But yes, now I will follow this one here. We have a beautiful lineup here, and we see it from the past also. That was good. And oh, I did not even know that was so good. Look this. It's amazingly. I did not zoom out so much last time. So very good signal. Thank you very much. Let's hope it holds. If I just have been not so stubborn and trading my own line, I would have made a lot of profit trading your line. So now let's see. Let's hope he continue, so we can get in some more trades here. So now let's see. By the way, we are up $270 till now today, so let's hope this line can continue, and probably it will. If you zoom out here now, it's been going on since basically yesterday, so I will be surprised if we're going to break now. So now I need to zoom in to get it correctly here. I'm ready to go in. We are very, very close. We are ready. And like I said, anyone can write to me in the chat. I reply everyone today. I have a on screen I follow. So if you write to me in the chat, I will reply to you. Oh, it's okay entry. I'll take one more there. We have 2 entries now. So as long as you don't break the line now, we will at least win one of them. Let's see. Now I need to wait 10 seconds. I hope we can get a good start on this line. And 1-1, and we won 2. Haha, amazing, amazing. Then now we are turning things good here. Then we got 95 plus 95. We are now $460 profit. Amazing. I will promote that, of course, while we will take more trades. I will take more trades. Let's see if we can make $1,000 profit today. That would be amazing. I mean, there. That was a big delay. There, I got one more. Now let's see. Let's see how this turns out before I start to promote. So the first one was a terrible entry. I did push and I think this delay was quite big. If I'm unlucky, I lose one, but another one is good entry. So hopefully, if we win the first, we'll be good. 3 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Perfect. Then we are. Yeah, now we are talking. Now we got big profit there. Now we are at $650. Amazing. And I think we can keep going. This one just keep giving. Amazing. Now let's see. In there, good entry. This line just keep giving. Now we need to wait our 20 seconds. Let's see. We need to wait more 10 seconds. If we win this one, we get another sweet $95 profit. Let's see. Yes, we won that one also. Then our profit is now up in $745. Now we are doing good. This Monday turns out to be amazing. We are printing money here today. Just so new viewers have idea, I can turn it to the left here now so you see what we're doing. So look this, we are doing amazingly. Now put it low again. So our profit now is $745. Maybe we can turn 1,000 today. That's it. I'm ready to go. Got one more there. Pretty good entry. Let's see how this turns out. Now we need to wait another 20 seconds. If you want to copy what I'm doing, you can do so too. You find a link in the chat. And if you see this as a recording, you find below the video. Make sure you use the promo code also. And 4, 3, 2, and another sweet profit. Our profit is now plus 95. We have $840 profit. Let's see. We are ready. That was a bad entry. Another bad entry. I hope I don't lose this too just because of bad entries. That would be super annoying. We won, thankfully 1-1. Then I don't feel so lost if we lose this one. Now we need to wait more, 4 seconds, and we won that one also. Another $295 plus 95 plus 95. We are now $1,000 profit. Now I'll take a small break so I can promote that as we turn it 1,000. You can continue trading this line actually. I'm super stoked. We are printing money here now. Let me just send out this for community members. $1,030 profit. Dollar profit till now. If I can write correct, that would be nice. And there. So now this line from Geelong, amazingly good line. Super stoked. Now let me post here. So this week we have got an amazingly good start of the week. I'm super stoked. Last week we needed to really be working hard, but we start this Monday amazingly. So I will continue trading this line very soon, and there, okay. Let's see if we can print more money here now. So for new visitors, I will just show you. Here you can see what we have done today. We have done all this, amazing, right? So we've done a lot of trades. Here is from 15. We first trade of the day we lost. Actually, 2 first we lost, and after that we have just we have 1 loss here. After that, just 1. So we have turned $1,030 profit, and we are now trading again on this line. Let's see. So we are trading British pound as against the Swiss francs. I'm in there. Very good entry. I'm happy with that. It looks like now he wants to break the line, so it looks like the fun is done. That's completely fine. We did print money on this line for a very long time, so obviously nothing lasts forever. But if you're lucky, let's see. I won it, but I'm stopping there. I won it, by the way. So then we stop trading here now because it looks like he's ready to go up. He is still a little below it, but we are not trading more this line. But yes, this was a good run. We will trade this line more if we come down here below again. Now I want him to come below in around this region, and I want to see a few tests of the line. You see that everyone would have won this ones here, but now we need to take a small break because as he broke above it a little here, we need to follow to see. You see now he do again, so that means we can't trade this line more. But that was a good run. We made $1,125 profit. That's amazingly. Now we still have time left. We have 11 more minutes. So that means we can go back and look at our other pairs here now to see how that turned out. We can see this one is also doing good, euro against dollar. So let's change for 30 seconds here, and let's see if we can print some more money on this one, because here also we have a beautiful line we can trade. So let's see. I'm ready to go down here now, and we are in. I think he's breaking above it. Really? Okay. Looks like we maybe get our loss then, or win or lose, I will not trade this line more because he did break a little above it also. Now we need to wait more 7 seconds. Let's see, 4. Come on. We lost it. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Then I take minus 100. I'm still at $1,025 profit. Losing my watch here now. So we are not trading this one more. He ended up to go below it again, but as we are a little high above it, this only shows me he's ready to go up. So let's move on. This one is still active, but we are a little far away from the line. What we had here, let me zoom in here and see. Nothing right here either. Here we are going very far away from the line. This one, let's take a look. Like I said, when you see something like this, you see that he's ready to break up, and it was about time. Come on, this line was amazing. So let's continue. I will now see, we will go from Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Today have been amazing. I see we have a lot of people live also. That's super cool to see. Start to be very good. So the last one we did check was Australian dollar. We did not come far down the list either. Amazing. Now today have been an amazing day. Typically we use so long time to find places to trade, but today is just keep coming. And here we right away we find another one. We take a line here. We are now at Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. We make that line red, and the thickest line, I always use the thickest line. So now let's zoom in and see how this looks like. This one is a little difficult because we see many of them are closing in the line, so we need to get a good entry. But as we have so good profit, I will try. But this one, be aware, often he closes exactly on the line. So we probably lost this one, won this one. This two maybe we lost. So here we would have won 1 and 2, and maybe this 3, maybe won one of them. So we will not have a good track record on this one till now, but let's give it a try. So now let's see. Let me take a look. So do we get any trades here? We are getting close. So this red line, by the way, I have put the line at 1.109735. Okay, so once again 1.109735. Be a little aware, we need a very good entry, but also he's moving very slow, so probably we get a good entry. He's not so jumpy like some of the other ones. So let's see, but here we need a very good entry to win. Let's see. But we have a good start this Monday morning. We lost the last trade, of course, but we have won like crazy. So we have, I think it was $1,025 profit. Let's see if we can print some more. Let's see. Come on, go up. And if you like this type of live sessions, don't worry, we are live every single day. And very soon now we will start to go live with, from tomorrow we will go live with 2 live sessions on this broker, same time every single day. And then I will figure out for another broker, Pocket Option, we will do a live session there also. I will figure out a good time for it. I don't think I'll take them right after each other because I need also a small break myself. But probably we do it like 1 hour later or something. I will see what fits for me. I need to think about what fits for me later also when my daughter goes. I need to fix her to go to school and things. So I will need to figure out a perfect time I can have the second session. So I need to think long term what will work. So I will. That's something I need to think about a little till today. But the time I choose for tomorrow, that will be the time we will go forward with. So you have a fixed time for it. It's a little difficult to see. I'm not in yet. I need to get into the line before I start to push the down button. It's moving so slow also. Oof, that was good. I got an error when I did push down. And it was on 5 seconds also. Thank God. That would be horrible. But thankfully, the broker saved me there with an error message. And also would be a terrible entry. So we got lucky there. So for once, the broker did save us from a losing trade. Let's see. But let's hope the error messages don't keep coming. I'm ready. Looks like his break. Once again I got error, but that is good. He broke the line. I don't know what's going on. Got error 2 times at boss push. Maybe I need to take a reload here. Maybe something is wrong that way. Let's see. I'm doing a reload on the screen. We're not trading more this line, by the way. Okay. But we only have 3 minutes left also, so it means if I can find some. Do you know what? Looks like our beautiful line here now turn it the another way. We can now buy on this line. This super strong resistance have now turned support at the exact same place. So that means we can take some buy trades here instead. I don't think I will be able to trade so much more today. We are basically done with our session. So I will come back again tomorrow, same time. And Smart Wolf Club, thank you for your signal, but I will not be trading more now. I will come back again tomorrow, same time. And tomorrow I will have 2 live sessions. So I have not decided when I will have the second live session for tomorrow. And the second live session will be for pocket option, but I'm not sure which time I will take it. I'll need to think a little ahead, so fits for my future schedules also. So, but by the way, this session I have for IQ Sense, that will be the same time every single day, but there will be a second session. So, like I said, I'll think about it. And for our Forex, might be a 3rd live session. I'm still looking for a broker that works worldwide, that have tight spreads. So when I have all this in order, then we might do even 3 live sessions a day. So I really hope you all did enjoy. I will be back again tomorrow and see you then. Have an amazing day.